From there, what we were able to do is actually put a total correlation factor to these items. So we were able to use AI to give a value that told us what the chances were that it was a duplicate. And we could present those to our customer. This is just a view of what it looks like in Novacura, but it's easily able to show you which one of these values may or may not be duplicates based on that correlation value and a confidence level. So just in front of you, the red lines pretty much are all the same part in our system. The yellow lines are all the same part. So it finds duplicates fairly well. But once again, the process, it seems a bit complex when I talk about it in all those steps, but what the user sees is just screens like this. They see a screen that shows a part number and possible duplicates to that. And then what we do is we keep the human in the loop. Simple, intuitive interfaces that allow them to select what to do. Should we delete the parts that are duplicates? Should we retire those parts? All through a couple clicks of a button.